Howdy. Some are just different. This really looks like a pine tree like the other ones in the background, but it's different. For whatever reason, it grew like that. And it seems to be alive still. It's not really visible in the picture, but I thought that's a really interesting comparison between different individuals. And they're still the same. But now to some earthquakes. Anything going up here in the north? No. Here, southern Siberian Traps are getting hit with quakes, which is interesting. Also interesting, I find here that we have some deeper quakes around here in the Mediterranean. Strait of Gibraltar, the ever going on earthquake swarm on this ridge near Al Hoceima. Is it Tunisia? Probably. It might be Tunisia. Or Morocco. Yeah, it might be Morocco because Tunisia's over here. So, but there was one quake in the Alps which I found interesting. It already has gone, so let's see if we can get it back this way. Or was it here? I think it was here. Wide rivers. Slovenia, Austria. So they are as good in geography as I am. Slovenia, Austria. And if we zoom in here, I have been watching this already earlier. For once, I have been watching. But anyway, if you go into the shadow of this valley where the earthquake happened, you will discover wide rivers. They're probably not that big, but there are quite a few. They are not really long or these kind of things, but they are like many of these kind of features, but it's not really visible here on this map since we are totally in the shadow. And these names of the places look more that we are in Slovenia and not Austria. So I think it's really an interesting landscape here. I think these are forests. Interesting how they have a different kind of color. Is there any gas coming out of the mountain? That's why they are dying off or something? I don't know. Do we have any craters visible here on this application? Anywhere. No craters, but more wide rivers with this greenish colored water, which I think is due to a relatively high gypsum content in water, which is alkaline. Nature ways, rafting and canyoning. Soka. That's really interesting. Really nice, a wide river. Like from the picture book. There's no picture book about wide rivers yet. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this 2 days ago. 7 hours ago. Alright, we have 2 quakes in this region. Very interesting. Yeah, this is this kind of karst region probably already. And that's by itself already an interesting part of the Alps, because it stands somehow on its own here. Southeastern, oh no, it's eastern actually, from the Riamento River, which is a really, really big and important river of the Alps. The last wild river of the Alps region. And I think it is untamed because it is really a wild river in its nature, so it's not possible yet to tame it for humans. And probably it will never be. Plave, Pave, Piave. Another one. Very big, wide river. So, we have small and big wide rivers. Quakes, earthquakes, geothermal activity, and all these kind of things. Germany, Austria. Okay. Whatever. Yeah, I remember. I have been watching this. Says Haupt. I guess that's Germany. I don't know. It doesn't matter. They're all. There's no point in borders at all. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this. This shore, or however you want to put it. And we have craters here, and obviously, at least to me, it seems there is this kind of peatish region. Maybe it continues. Yeah, it might continue. There's some industrial stuff going on, whatever they are doing there. Nonnenwald. What's the female side of a monk? Is it a nun? Probably. It's the nun forest. But I wanted to show you that. Check out this landscape here again. This shore and these features. And now let's just go over to Finland. It's not that well visible because I think they cut off the most of it. But we have similar features here. Similar colors and these kind of craterish like structures and peatlands and all this kind of stuff here in Finland. Here's probably a better example. Peat and craters. As we had in Germany, Austria, or whatever it was what we just watched before. Some 2,000 kilometers away. Similar features, same colors, craters, water. Very interesting. Very interesting. Thanks.